Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of rebuilding the Escort. This is the second video that I'm doing now of the new series. So we've had the car back, and today's job is to spin it up on its side and grind down the welds, and then paint what I've got grinded so there's no bare metal on show. So that's today's job. I'm going to whack it up on time lapse just so you guys at home can see what we're up to. So stay tuned. I've got Jay here along with me helping.
Hi.
So we're going to have two pairs of hands on the car today. So fingers crossed it should be relatively nearly ready to be painting underneath of the car after tonight. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. So I'm just grinding the welds down, and now I had ordered some paint and it hadn't arrived, but the whole family have come. They've all brought me my paint so I can actually finish off tonight, hopefully. So I'm winning at the minute. So see you guys in a minute. I'll watch you back on the time lapse now. So I've grinded down the welds a little bit better now. So now I'm just going to give it a quick coat of etch primer just to save the metal a little bit. And the bits are a bit higher. But I am also going to do the inside of the car as well. So I'm going to whack some etch primer on now. And then hopefully tomorrow I'm going to seal all the joins. Put some brush on. I've got some tiger seal for a couple of parts, and I've also got brush on seam sealer to put underneath the car as well. So keep watching. I'll whack up some videos of that in a minute. So see you guys in a minute. So I've done the underneath of the car now, and I have touched up on a couple of bits just with the etch primer. And now I'm going to concentrate on doing this floor, and also at the top there where we did grind away to find where to put the plate up the top. So I'm going to whack you inside the car while I do this one. So I'll put a time lapse up of me painting inside with the etch primer, and then I will come back at the end of the video just to say a couple of words. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Now, first things first, I do apologise. Whilst I was flicking through the GoPro before doing this video, I noticed that there's a lot of footage gone. For some reason, the GoPro keeps freezing. and then I need to change the battery, and for some reason some clips have gone. So I will salvage what I can, but I don't think there's going to be a massive amount there. Obviously, the new way I'm going to be doing the vlog of the car will be a lot shorter videos. So the videos are more than likely going to be about this length, maybe a little bit longer, maybe a little bit shorter. But it is just a vlog, so I can keep up to date and show what's going on with the car. No matter how big or small the jobs are going to be, I'm going to be videoing it and doing a small video on it. So I am new to this. I've never ever stripped a car this much before, so I'm new to a lot of things. So if you do find that I'm doing anything wrong, or if you know of any tips to help me out, please do comment below, because there'll be a big I'll appreciate the help of anybody. As well as that, I do notice that my subscriber count is creeping up ever so slowly. So if you are one of these subscribers that does watch my video and watch my channel, please do comment below, so I can actually interact with people and see who's watching. So a quick recap on tonight. My aim was to come here, grind some welds and put etch primer over it so it doesn't get rusty. Obviously the car's been back a week now, so I just wanted to get it all some primer over the welds to save them from rusting over. So as you can see from over here now, the passenger side of the footwell, I've etch primered all there because all that was still bare. Don't know if you can see, but I've etch primered all up here, which is where we grinded to get the plate in the back. I've done the sills. I've done some of the floor pan underneath, but that means me having to spin the car back over. I've done the strut tops, all insides. So yeah, it's getting there ever so slowly. Like I said, the main goal for the car is to get it ready for the wedding, which is nearly 300 days away now. So there's still time, but for now I'm going to concentrate on getting the underneath ready for paint. I've been in contact with the guy who's coming over to paint it, so hopefully he might be able to come over in the next couple of weeks, so that there'll be a video with all that. I'm coming back in a couple of nights, and I'll be doing the sealant underneath the car, so I'll get a video of that. Plus there's some other little bits and bobs that I just need tidying up underneath. I'm gonna quickly video them. So like I say, if you do like the shorter videos, please do comment below and let me know what you think. It's something new that I thought I'd try out. Obviously I am new to YouTube anyway, so this is something completely out of my comfort zone, so I thought I'd give it a go, rather than me having to struggle to find 15 minutes worth of content with doing the videos. I thought the shorter videos might actually help a little bit with regards of being able to post every week. So other than that, thank you ever so much everybody. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and feel free to comment below. Until that, I'll see you guys on the next one when I'm under sealing the car, hopefully. Cheers guys.